Greetings, welcome to my channel. I am a local people living in China and I will share with you the authentic Chinese with you. So today I will share with you the why do people like horror films? What's your favorite genre of the film? When you are watching the horror film, the heart starts pumping, making these films exhilarating. Okay, now let's move to my pad. I will show you how to say and write the horror films. Let's go. Okay, now welcome to my pad. First, I will write horror film. Horror film. Horror, which means 恐怖, which means horror. Film, which means 电影. 电影. 恐怖电影, which means horror film. If you want to say I like horror films, 我喜欢恐怖电影. Write it in Chinese, like, which means 喜欢. I like horror films. 我喜欢恐怖电影. 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 I like horror films. See you next time. Bye bye.